Hi everyone, welcome to Zander The Science Kid. I'm going to be doing another 6-in-1 electric robot kit, and don't forget to check out all of the robots that I made in other episodes. And this time I'm going to be making a buzzwire game. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more awesome Zander The Science Kid videos.
Zander the Science Kid.
Let's get started. Wow! I'm going to be doing this one. This robot's called a buzzwire game. First, let's open our pack, and don't forget, always organize your parts and read your instructions. And reading is cool.
Reading is cool.
Hi, Zebot.
Hi.
Goodbye. We got red wires, and don't forget, if wires are on, ask that dog for help. And any type of wire you see, it has to be on. And also, you can never touch a wire. You know why? Because you could get electrocuted, electrified or electrocuted. We got a battery pack with more wires, red and black, and then we've got a green rod, another green rod, a yellow board, and wire, more red wires, and then a plastic stick. And then we have got some lights, more lights, screws, and a bracket, a light switch. Let me get organized all of these. Let me just get this bag out of the way. Okay, let's get ready. And always read your instructions. Step 1.
Step
Fix
1.
the connector and the battery box on the plastic board with screws. Let's get our bag full of light switches and screws. And it's kind of hard to open a bag. Let's hold off for help to open the bag. And remember, always organize your parts. And always get the right parts. Wait, forgot my screwdriver. Okay, I got my screwdriver. Now let's get started. We need the board, the orange board, yellow or orange, either way. And then we need 3 screws. And then we need light switches and then the battery pack. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna do the battery box or the battery pack. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. put on the battery pack, let's put on the wire connector. Cool. Get the long screw for the connector. Now I got the wire connector in. Step 2.
Step 2.
Fix the connector fittings. Then insert the plastic bar in them. So I'm going to put in the blue brackets at the end of the yellow board. Onto the next bracket. Okay, now I need to put in the long green bars. Put them in correctly. Okay, now we're done with step 2. Now it's on to step 3.
Step 3.
Step 3, connect one end of the metal wire to a plastic bar. So I gotta get the metal wire and straighten it out. And metal wires are poking out. Ow. Okay, now we're all done with step 3. Now to step 4. Step 4.
Step 4.
Twist your design for the wire maze. Install the loop to the one and place it in the metal wire. You gotta twist it, the wire, and make your design. Okay, so now I'm done putting in the hoops. Now let's get the one and
Step
then
5.
the hoop, and then we need to stick it in carefully. Okay, so now I got it on. Put it in the wire. And then we gotta stick the wire in here. And then bend it like that. Do it like that. Now we did that. Step 6.
Step 6.
Connect the metal loop to the rod of the battery box with a red wire. And then we have to get the other end off and twist it. Now let's twist. Okay, so now I connected the wire to the wand. Now on to step 7.
Step 7.
Step 7. Connect one end of the metal wire to the connector with a red wire. So we have another red wire. Then we have to take off both of the ends like this. Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Now we have to twist them again, just like when we put on the wire to there. The one. Now I got that one. Now let's jump to this one. Okay, so now I connected the red wire to the silver wire. Now I have to connect the red wire to the connector. Now we're done with step 7. Now we're with step 8.
Step 8.
Step 8. Connect the black wire off the battery box to the connector. So I took off the black part now to twist it. Now I have to connect it to the connector. So now I put in the black wire. You have to press down the button and insert the wire. And then let go of the button. Now I put the black wire in. And I'm done with step 8. Now it's time for step 9. Step 9. Connect
Step 9.
the buzzer and the blue to the connector with the long pin positive pole on the same side as the red wire. I gotta get this one, and then I gotta bend them a little, and then I have to put them in. So now, actually you're supposed to connect the black wire on the opposite side of the red wire. Now to connect the buzzer. Now I put on the black buzzer. Now I have to put on the red light. Okay, so now I put in the black buzzer. Now I have to put in the red light. Now I put on the light, and now we're done with step 9. Now it's time with step 10.
Step 10.
Step 10. Load the batteries and enjoy the game. Now I'm going to get the batteries with my magic hands. Wow, there they are. I have to put them in, and don't forget, ask the dog for help with this. And also, they both have a positive and negative sign, so put them in correctly. so now I've got the batteries in. Let's have some fun playing this game, but before we play this game, this is the goal, how to win. So first you have to get the hoop around without touching the wires or else you lose. Okay, let's have some fun. And also, it takes a steady hand. 3, 2, 1, up. If you get this kit, make sure you know how to play this game. Practice playing this game and have some fun. Wow, that was tricky. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more awesome Zander The Science Kid videos. Bye!
Zander the Science Kid.